Hey, what's happening, my friends? Nick here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Hopefully you are doing well. Today, I wanted to share my thoughts on overcoming challenges that will manifest itself throughout your journey to success. See, when faced with challenges or difficult situation, it is very easy to feel overwhelmed. You may feel like you cannot shake off the obstacles that are in your path. It is important to remember that strength does not come from what you are capable of doing. It comes from overcoming the challenges which may appear to be overwhelming and insurmountable. Success is, by all means, not simple, and it's not achieving without overcoming challenging situations. Keep in mind that your achievements will be all the more rewarding when you emerge a winner. Working hard and being persistent, determined, and consistent through hard times will give you a sense of pride and accomplishment. It is important to remember that failure is not the opposite of success, but rather an essential part of success. Facing obstacles and learning from them is an important part of a successful journey. Many times the most difficult situations are the most invigorating. Each challenge presents itself as an opportunity to explore new ideas and learn from mistakes. Having a supportive network of people around you can make a world of difference when overcoming difficult challenges. Friends, family, or community that has your best interest at heart, who offer emotional support and advice, can help you stay mind strong during difficult times. You do not have to go at it alone, nor should you. Remember that adversity is part of life, but it does not have to define who you truly are. Strength does not always come without a struggle, but once you find it and use it to overcome challenges, it will stay with you. You will learn more from experience and grow stronger and bolder, both emotionally and mentally. So the next time you face a challenge, take a moment to reflect on the strength you possess and use it to get to the other side. With your resilience and tenacity, you can overcome any obstacles that stands in your way. If you want to learn more about mindset, motivation, and how to overcome your challenges and achieve success and earn substantially without getting hurt and without all the hype, take a look at my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com, and opt in and watch our video and find out if our principles aligns with yours. Thank you again for taking the time to watch, and remember to always go for your dreams and stay healthy, my friends. God bless. Bye for now.